Hello everyone. In the last few sessions, we have seen different types of signal classification such as analog and digital signal, continuous time and discrete time signal, even and odd signal, and periodic and non-periodic signal. Today in this session, we will study other signal classification such as real and complex signal. In communication system, these two signals are classified based on the representation of real and imaginary values in the signal function. Now let me tell you the definition of real signal. If any signal that has only real representation, then that type of signal is called as real signal. For example, consider these two signal functions. In these two signal function, e raised to sigma t and a raised to n are called as real representation of the signal x of t and x of n, in which it consists of sequence of real numbers. These two signal functions are consist of only real component and there is no imaginary component in it. Hence, this signal function is called as real signal. Similarly, what do you mean by complex signal? If any signal that has both real and imaginary representation, then that types of signal is called as complex signal. For example, consider these two mathematical signal function. Here in these two signal function, e raised to alpha plus j beta and e raised to sigma plus j omega t are having both real and imaginary representation, in which it consists of sequence of complex numbers. These two signal function consist of both real and imaginary component. Hence, this signal function is called as complex signal. This is about real and complex signal. Let's move on to other type of signal, that is deterministic and random signal. What exactly the definition of deterministic signal? Deterministic signal are those whose amplitude and frequency at any time can be specified, or it can be calculated or measured by mathematical function. For example, consider this signal representation. By looking at this signal, we can say this signal has continuous amplitude with respect to time t, where time is varying from 0 to plus infinity. And mathematically, this signal function can be defined as x of t is equal to a sine omega t. Now we have observed that this type of signal are regular and easily predictable, and there is no uncertainty with respect to its values at any instant of time. Hence, this type of signal is called as deterministic signal. Similarly, what do you mean by random signal? In the communication system, a random signal is also called as non-deterministic signal. A signal whose amplitude and frequency cannot be specified or calculated or measured at any time using mathematical function are called as random or non-deterministic signal. Let us consider these two signal representation. If you observe the first signal representation, it can be determined or calculated at any time using mathematical function. But if you observe the second signal representation, this signal is not very clear and it is not easily specified or calculated at any time using mathematical function. So that this signal representation is called as random or non-deterministic signal. Here one thing you can observe that random or non-deterministic signal are irregular and unpredictable, and also uncertainty in the signal with respect to its value at any instant of time. Hence this signal is called as random signal. This is all about deterministic and random signal. Now we will look at the last signal classification, that is energy and power signal. Look at the definition of energy signal. A continuous or discrete time signal is said to be an energy signal if the total energy content of the signal is a finite quantity and average power is 0. Hence, x of t is an energy signal if E is varying from 0 to infinity and P is equal to 0, where E is the energy and P is the power of the signal x of t. So you can observe in this signal condition, energy content of the signal E is finite quantity and average power of the signal is 0. Hence, this signal is called as energy signal. Then what is power signal? A continuous or discrete time signal is said to be an power signal if and only if average power content of the signal is finite quantity and infinite amount of energy. Hence, x of t is a power signal if p is varying from 0 to infinity and E is equal to infinite, or E is varying from minus infinity to plus infinity, where E is the energy and P is the power of the signal x of t. One thing you can observe in this signal condition is that average power is finite quantity and energy content of the signal E is infinite quantity. Hence, this signal function is called as power signal. So far we have studied different classification of signal with its mathematical representation. Now it's very important to know the difference between each signal so that we can identify the signal more clearly. Now look at the difference between each signal one by one. First type of signal which I have studied, that is analog and digital signal. As you know, in communication system, based on the voltage representation, the signal can be classified into two, that is analog signal and digital signal. Here analog signal is a one in which the amplitude of the signal consists of infinite number of values at continuous time interval, whereas in digital signal it consists of two finite set of values, either high or low, with respect to discrete time intervals. In analog signal, voltage and time are continuous with respect to time interval t, which is varying from 0 to infinity, whereas in digital signal it consists of discrete set of voltage with respect to discrete time interval where t is varying from 0 to 7ts. Next classification is continuous time signal and discrete time signal. In the communication system, these two signals are classified based on time domain representation. Continuous time signal is a one in which it has continuous amplitude over the time interval which is varying from minus infinity to plus infinity, whereas in discrete time signal it has discrete values at particular time interval nts. Then the difference between even and odd signal is that if a signal is identical about the origin and exhibit even time symmetry, then it is called as even signal. Similarly, if a signal is not identical about the origin and exhibit odd time symmetry, then that type of signal is called as odd signal. Similarly, periodic signal is a one in which it repeats at regular time interval t0, whereas non-periodic signal is a one in which it does not repeat for regular time interval t0. In communication system, non-periodic signal is also called as a periodic signal. Next signal which we have studied, that is real and complex signal. If you see the difference between real and complex signal, real signal is a one which has sequence of real numbers. That means it has only real components, but there is no imaginary component in it. But whereas in complex signal, it consists of sequence of complex number. That means it should have both real and imaginary representation. Next one, deterministic and random signal. If you see the difference between these two signals, deterministic signal is a one which can be determined or calculated by using mathematical function, whereas random signal cannot be determined or calculated using mathematical function. Another difference is that in deterministic signal, there is no uncertainty in its value at any point of time, whereas in random signal, it has uncertainty in the values with respect to its time interval. Last signal classification, that is energy and power signal. Energy signal is a signal whose energy is finite and average power is 0, Whereas in power signal, energy is infinite but the average power is finite quantity. This is all about the difference between each signal classification. In the next session, we'll study the functional element of digital communication system in detail. Till then, study well and revise the topic which I covered so far. See you in the next video. Thank you.